Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, free shipping, Prime Video exclusive deals. Sounds good, right? If you have ever used, I'm talking about someone who basically never used Amazon Prime. You can always try it for free. It's a commitment upfront and full access included. But you need to activate it the right way. So in today's small tutorial, you're gonna see on how to actually unlock or start a Prime free trial in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Amazon.com or just open Amazon shopping app. So we're gonna tap on the link, go all the way, log in using your email address and password, and we're gonna go here to accounts and lists. We have our orders, login and security addresses, and here is the Prime membership. So just tap on it, then tap on start your free 30-day trial actually. So we have fast and free delivery, enjoy same day, 1 day and 2 day delivery on millions of items, unlimited streaming, exclusive days and savings, more Prime benefits, groceries, Amazon Pay with Prime, and all of these options. Then confirm your payment method. Activate Prime and enjoy the benefits. As for more tips, free trial usually lasts 30 days as I told you. You should set a reminder before it ends. You still get free shipping during the trial as well. You also can cancel at any time and keep benefits until the trial ends. And that's it. Prime unlocked with zero cost upfront. Perfect for fast shipping, binge watching, or even exclusive deals. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.